I'm Ashanti, an almost third year medical student and future OBGYN, and this is day 2 of our 33 days anatomy series. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the function of the occipital lobe. And if you don't remember anything else from this video, remember that the occipital lobe is responsible for vision. The occipital lobe has the primary visual cortex, this area in red, and it also has the secondary visual cortexes, which is close by to the primary visual cortex, and it's a process. When you see something through your right visual field, meaning the right sides of both your eyes, the right halves, that gets sent to the left half of each of your retinas and vice versa. When you see something through your left visual field, meaning the left half of both your eyes, that gets sent to the right half of your retinas. And now I'm only going to use one example. So when you see something through your right visual field, right side of both your eyes, that gets sent to the left half of your retinas. Your retina sends it to the optic nerve, then to the optic chiasm. From the optic chiasm, it goes to the optic tract, and then to the lateral geniculate nucleus of the thalamus, and also to Meyer's loop in the temporal lobe and Baum's loop in the parietal lobe, and to the primary visual cortex of the occipital lobe. Now, when it goes to the primary visual cortex, it cannot tell you what you are seeing. It is like a scanner. It can only detect simple things like light and dark and lines and edges. It also goes to the secondary visual cortexes, which also can't tell you what you are seeing. It can only detect deeper things like colors and shapes. Now, when it goes to the ventral stream in the temporal lobe, this is where it tells you what you are seeing. And when it goes to the dorsal stream in the parietal lobe, this is where it tells you, okay, what you are seeing, this is where it is. This is how you should react to it or interact with it. Now, long story short, if the posterior cerebral artery, which supplies the primary visual cortex on your right, if that is damaged, you won't be able to see through the left half of both of your eyes, but you'll be able to see from the center in that part, and I'll show you a picture. Now, if the posterior cerebral artery, which supplies the left visual cortex, is damaged, you won't be able to see from the right half of both your eyes, but you'll be able to see the center part. If you want me to explain that more in depth, comment and let me know.